Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group F from 3BMMA S1/1. So today we are going to present our assignment, which is refrigerant specification. I am Akmal Hakim bin Azizi, and my teammates are Aiman Ashri bin Arifuddin, Muhammad Harib bin Muhammad Sukri, Ahmad Faidi, and also Muhammad Anas Farid bin Masri. So proceed to the next slide. So for this assignment, we are going to talk about 3 points, the key factor of refrigerant specifications, which is what are the 3 refrigerant specifications for automotive air conditioning system, how does it affect the environment and human safety, and lastly, what is the health aspect from the usage of the refrigerant. So in automotive world, there are 3 types of refrigerants ever identified and used throughout the ages. Firstly is R12, second is R134A, and third, and the newest type of refrigerant is R1234YF. So, firstly, we look at R12. It is banned. It is first made in 1937, and its usage is until 1996 due to the ban for its impact on the ozone layer. Then to replace the R12, it comes R134A is produced. So R134A is a replacement for the more environmentally harmful R12. And lastly, the newest type of refrigerant, R1234YF, it does not damage the ozone layer or has minimal global warming impact. So this new refrigerant is what car manufacturers are currently working on.
Okay, I will describe the difference between the refrigerant system. For R12 system, the container color is white. For R134A system, light blue, and R1234YF is white with red stripe. For container 15, there is 7/16 times 20 1/4 flare. For R134 system is half times 16 ACME. For R1234YF is half times 12 ACME. So the chemical name for R112,
Dichloro-difluoromethane.
For R134 system,
Tetrafluoroethane.
and the last one, R1234YF, is
Tetrafluoropropene.
N. Ozone depletion potential R12 is 1. R134A system is 0, and R134YF is 0. Global warming potential R12 is 8,500. For R134A is
1,300.
And the last one, R134YF, is 4. Boiling point at sea level for R12 is negative 21.62 Fahrenheit. For R134A is negative 15.07 Fahrenheit. For R1234YF is negative 22 Fahrenheit. So condenser for R12 system is standard. R134A is increased heat transfer. R134YF is increased heat transfer. Hose construction for R12 is linen linear optional, and so 134A is nylon linear required, and what R134YF is nylon linear required. So molecule weight size for R12 is 120 gram per molecule, bigger than R134YF. So for R134A system, 134 gram per mole, smaller than R134YF. For R134YF, 114 gram per mole, bigger than R134A. Next. So this is the color for 310 gas for R112, R134A, and R134YF. So you can see I just describe all this on other slide on the table. Alright, next.
So how does it affect the environment and human safety? Next. So this is the ozone depletion chart. You can see. Next. So the refrigerants has been known to cause an impact on the environment, especially the depletion of the ozone layer. From 1937 until 1996, the period where our R12 was used, spanning over 50 years of its use, the ozone layer has depleted 30% from before its creation. This caused an increased rate of global warming and wildfire due to the unfiltered sun's ray entering the earth from the hole formed at the ozone layer. So the unnatural storm and jet one also was detected forming in the Antarctica due to the ozone layer depletion.
Okay, I'm going to explain what is the health effect from usage of the refrigerant. Next. Okay, impact of refrigerant on human health. Unfiltered sun rays can cause health issue towards human. Increase UV radiation level at the Earth's surface, which is damaging to human health. And in the table below are the example of the effect to human health from the refrigerants. The first is second is cataract,
Skin
and
cancer.
the third is immunity depression leading to AIDS.
Okay, I will discuss about how we handle the refrigerant safely. Okay, the vapor are several times heavier than air. Good ventilation must be provided in area where high concentration of heavy vapor might accumulate and exclude oxygen. Exposed to level of fluorocarbon above recommended exposure levels can result in loss of concentration and drowsiness. Skin or eye contact can result in irritation and frostbite. For use good equipment when handling the refrigerant, wear PPE wear protecting clothes such as extra layer of clothes and long sleeve clothes to prevent contact with refrigerant. Safety Google is also recommended to avoid eye contact with refrigerant. And lastly, do not place any spark or fire source near the refrigerant because it can cause a fire. Okay, next. Thank you for listening to our group presentation, and that's all.